Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another unboxing today. This is yet another purchase from DHgate or dhgate.com, and I've been really wanting this bag for a while. I picked it up too because it has the best reviews on it. I always buy bags from there that has the best reviews. That's my tip for you if you're looking for a bag on there. And the photos of it looked really good. So, like I said, this is going to be another replica dupe. I apologize. I can't remember if this is like considered kind of a replica or a dupe. Probably a dupe. But it's of a Louis Vuitton bag that I, can't afford, obviously. And so I'm like, I've been wanting to get this. It reminds me of my childhood. And you'll see why. And that is why I picked it up. I'm like, I've been wanting this, and it wasn't a terrible deal either. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So let me do this off camera because my address is on both sides of the bag, which is really weird. But that's just the way they did it. Like I said, it comes from China. And I like to get these bags from DHgate every now and then. I don't mind. It's not the same thing as the best is the real thing, but sometimes I don't mind. Okay, so let me take it out of the packaging. This is kind of a larger bag. So we'll see how it goes. Right away, it does kind of smell funny, like plastic, which is what you often get when you order these from DHgate, but the smell often really does actually totally go away after a bit. Maybe like a month it goes away, but don't let that deter you. Okay, so comes in this bag. Let me make sure you can see that. So it says Louis Vuitton on there. Dust bag. It's actually a really good dust bag. Okay. Oh wow, this looks nice. Oh wow. Okay. Here it is. If I can get it off. Okay. Wow, this is great. Okay. I don't know the original name of this bag, but it came in a lot of different styles and sizes. But there was this print from Louis Vuitton. Make sure you could see the whole thing. And that's pretty true to color. Like I said, it's a little bit brighter in person, but not by much. This is so pretty. This is just what I wanted. Okay. So let me cut this off. It does need to obviously be stuffed so it can stay standing up for a bit. Look at the rolled handles. Oh, that's awesome. That's great. So it has faux leather trim. Here's the back. I know it's a little bit wonky, but yeah. Okay, here's the inside of the bag. Right here, and the color is, which I didn't know, look, it's a gray color. It's like a medium gray. Oh, this is weird. Look at that. I thought it would be crossbody, but let's find out. I think it's crossbody. So let me first take off this one. Okay. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. That's neat. So look, you have this long shoulder. You can't see that, but see, look how long that goes. It's like this length. And then you have this one too. Let me check in the dust bag real quick. Is it in here? Nope. I thought there was a crossbody strap. I could have sworn there was. Nope. Oh, how funny. It's like a little, I think that's for your receipt. Obviously it's not real Louis Vuitton. But I'm just seeing kind of what's in this little manila thing. Oh, okay. Care guide. Obviously I've never had a Louis Vuitton bag, so. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I thought it came with a crossbody, but you know what, you guys? You can possibly, if it feels right, put on your own. Because there's rings right here and right here, so you could hook it like that. So inside it's got the hook right like this. It has a zip pocket here, Louis Vuitton. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. 2 slip pockets there, and they're nice and stiff. And no pockets on the other side, but I love it. I really love it. Like I said, the only drawback is it does have a weird plasticky kind of strong smell, but literally it does go away. I've bought a few different replica and dupe bags from DHgate, and if you just let it sit out, the smell will go away. I don't care. I'm gonna keep this. This is awesome. I want to get it in like the what do you call it, the Louis Vuitton Never Full, because this also comes, sometimes you have to look really hard to find it, but you can find it Never Full. And yeah, like I said, if you go on my channel, on my other videos, the last one I did from my last purchase from DHgate, in one of the comments I tell you how you can find these bags on there, so just go through the comments and you'll see my response. So I always get the best, most popular or most rated one. So yeah, I think this is a keeper. Yeah, it just wants to lay flat, but I've got to stuff it, and I think that should work itself out. But let me know what you guys think. I love it personally, but yeah, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.